Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you. Just click. You can see guys, and you just click again. You can see guys. Hide. You just click remove option and just click spacing. You just click guidelines. Just click. You can see, and just click. You can see, and you can see guys, new windows. Just click new windows, arrange. You can see home option. Next, click view option and click split. You can see guys, split options. And hide, you can see click hide option use. You can see guys, and micro switch windows, you can click one switch windows. And you can see guys, horizontal control Z. You can see guys, first control A, select, right press and spacing size greater than. And I teach you new windows. You can see guys, new one windows open. Next, before windows open, you can see guys, three windows open, and arrange all vertical. Just click. You can see guys, verticals, arrange all. And control Z, just minimize, close, maximize. First windows open, 1 and 2 windows closed. You can see guys, and view option click, and you can see guys, switch windows, but one window open, new windows open. Control Z, and view option click, switch two windows. You can see guys, one windows close. You can see view option and windows, view option click, switch windows. You can see guys, switch windows option use. You can see guys. And next I teach you hide, unhide. Just click unhide option use. You can see guys, unhide. Split, just click split option use. Next, just click again split option use. Remove the split.